mo lang. Uy, sobrang first time ko kakantay ng buo. So, sorry na, pagbigyan niyo lang. Ginagulat niyo ako. May minus ba ka? Wala.
Hindi na-inform.
Pero okay lang, para sa inyo naman.
Yes! Palakpak naman kay Jane!
Yung lyrics ko, masaya ko. Only times you get it is it money. You broke my heart, I pray for goodness sake. Think I'm crying, no matter what I am. And I didn't wanna write this song, 'cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care and do, but you still hit my phone. Baba? And I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. You should know. My mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never liked to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. You don't hate my friends. The only problem was with you and not them. Every time you told me my opinion was wrong, that you made me forget where I came from. And I didn't wanna write this song, 'cause I didn't want to love you so much. I care I don't, but you still hit my phone up. And baby, I've been moving on, and I think you should be something that I don't wanna hold back. Baby, you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never liked to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Okay na yun.
Yes! Palakpak naman kay Jane!
Grabe, hindi ko alam kung ibababa ko yung tono. Hindi, parang ang baba pareho.
Jane, mananggalin mo.
Ha?
Ba't hindi ko kaya yun?
Alin?
Pwede ko ma-interview.
Pwede, pwede. Chill out, Ay, buka.
Thank you po. Paano mo nagawa yung kanta mo? Paano yun? Pwede advice na. Paano yun?
At some part.
Hindi, yung ano, yung chorus. Paano yun? Yun yung ulit sa chorus. Sa chorus. Ay,
My mama don't like you and she likes everyone.
paano yun?
Ito, bukas may mga masa. Mama.
Bakit di ba yung lumalabas sa akin sa'yo maganda?
Alam mo, hindi. Nakadepende yan siguro sa kanta. Baka may bagay sa yung song.
Grabe!
Diba? Ano gusto mo song?
Uy, na! Ano na lang message mo sa kanila?
Uy, alam nyo, sobra akong kinikilabutan kanina dun sa ginawang video kasi parang bigla ko na-realize kung gano'n na kayo katagal sa lahat ng mga pinagdaan. Grabe, ang dami nun na. Like, nung una shakies. Tapos, nagsi-center stage na tayo. Tapos, oh my God, nasa tayo ngayon sa lounge. Next year, out of the country ba? Char. Hindi, pero yun nga, nakakatawa kasi ang dami na natin pinagdaanan. Tatagal na ng group niyo din. Kaya, yun, nakaka-proud. Nakaka-proud. Sobrang nakaka-proud. Solid. Ay, yes.
5 years.
Bash, 5 years. Joke lang.
Masaya ka, Jane, ha?
Masaya ka? Oo, solid.
Paano nga, iba't ibang mukha, di ba? Every year.
Oo nga, pero ito yung makakalimutan ng mukha.
Siya
Tsaka
pa ba?
sino ito? Si Tal, yun o. Gentleman ka nga dyan. Kanina, bihasa yung pagkaka-gentleman.
Magta-twerk ka, di ba? Sabi mo para kay Jane. Takot na takot siya pag may gagawin siya, no? Ayun.
Ayun. So guys, thank you. And more years to come. Yung mga 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. Yung mga tipong, oo, may forever. Yung mga tipong isi-celebrate natin. Ayoko muna isipin, pero alam mo, isi-celebrate natin yung may anak na si Sarah, gano'n. Imagine nyo kaya, tapos si Ta, alam mo yun, parang grabe.
Tapos ninang si Jane.
Oo, tapos kunin nyo lang ako, lahat kayo pwede nyo ako maging nina.
Oy! Naka-video, naka-record ba yan?
Oh my God. Wait lang, pinabawi ko na. Medyo madami kaming kailangan gastusin sa Pasko. So,
Marami ka nakikita.
actually, meron, oo. Pero hindi naman madami.
Yung akin
lang.
pwede.
Ah! Oh my God.
Wala akong
Dahil sinasabi ko lang naman in the future kasi marami pa tayong futures together. Yun yung sinasabi. Na yun lang. So much more things to happen. So, ang dami pang possibilities. So yun, thank you guys and continue supporting and dito lang din ako for all of you. Thank you. Love you.
nakakaiyak naman yan. Parang last na.
Hindi, ibig sabihin, di ba, ang dami pang ibang GT na anniversary. Yeah.
Yung yung shakies namin guys, kung alam nyo lang. Ilan lang kami kasi parami lang parami.
Oo nga, nakakatuwa yun. Solid yun.
Tsaka yung IG mo, 1 million.
Pero nagdalawang best tayo nag-shakies. Nung una, tatlo lang yung table. Tapos next 6 na yung table.
Yeah.
Na nagkaitig naman nag-dive. Yung table konti tatlo lang ganun nag-ahay. Tapos nung next time, buong side na ng kabilang shakies may... Yun. Ang mean mo, no?
Ano?
Ano na, Ate Sarah? May message ka ba para kay Jane? Sino ang president ng Janesters? Kailangan may dapat may message pag anniversary.
Kailangan may message eh. Dapat nakakaiyak.
Pause ako.
Hindi ka pa ako, narinig ka na kami eh.
Pag na. Dinner na
May message na, ba-viber na lang daw.
Text mo lang sa akin.
As in-
Okay. Gutom ka na